Are you alright? I just stubbed my toe. Wait, but where? How? Well, it wasn't on the air, was it? On the table. I just stubbed my toe. You can't stub your toe. I just stubbed my toe. Yeah, I just stubbed my toe as well. What are you on about? What now? I just tripped over and stubbed my toe. I totally just stubbed my toe as well. It's not like yawning. You're totally trying to steal my thunder. I'm not trying to steal your thunder. I just really hurt myself and you're just pretending you hurt yourself. Well, I did. It's scientifically proven by the association that stubbing your toe is a butterfly effect. What? Who are you? I am here. Where'd your glasses go? They are here.